Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes. So, you might hear my granddaughter. I have her right now, and she's looking at her little shows. Okay, so you might hear her hollering or might hear her talking. So just bear with me, and I do apologize. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to the video. All right. Okay, the first thing I got was these Colgate Max Freshes. They are $2.75 each. There is a $3 off for 2 digital coupon that is attaching. Also, I got this Playtex Sports. Playtex Sports, they are $3.50. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. This is the 14 count. The next thing I got was the Rolaids. The Rolaids, these are $1.50. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. This is the soft chews, and it is at the register. You find these at the register, okay? The next thing is the Skintimate razors. Make sure you do scan it. It is $6. There is a $4 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is the Crest Scope. This I can't even get it out. It's $3. There is a $2 off digital coupon. And I'm sorry, y'all. My next door neighbors, when it gets a little warm, he is out in his yard, so I do apologize. Right now, you are hearing him. I sound like cutting grass or doing something. So the next thing is the Scott Scott toilet paper. $3. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. Then the last thing I got was the Airwick warmer. This is this is $2, and there is a $1.50 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay, so after she scanned everything, I put my number in. My subtotal for everything is $9. Yes, $9. Now I could have left off the Skintimate razors, but I just went ahead and got it to make sure that the $4 is attaching to this violet kind. So, like I said, my subtotal is $9. All my digitals came off. So let me show you my receipt. Hold on. All right, there is my receipt. Subtotal $9. Total savings is $15.50. And we got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just, deals that you can do now. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.
Miss Nanda's channel.